Hi, my name is Kelly Burke. I am the director of HCA Early Learning Academy, and I'm here today to share an exciting announcement with you. We are launching a brand new preschool program at our beautiful Rolling Meadows campus. We are humbled and thankful that the Lord has provided us with this opportunity to grow to the Rolling Meadows location. The program is for students who are ages 3 to 5 years old. We are set to begin on Monday, September 20th. The program will run Monday, Wednesday, and Friday mornings from 8 to 11 a.m. Your child will be known, loved, and equipped in a high-quality early learning environment along with our amazing HCA staff. We use a research-based early learning curriculum along with play-based methodologies in addition to daily biblical integration. Your child's love for learning will be fostered and their creativity will be nurtured in our program. If you would like to learn more or you're ready to enroll, you can visit the HCA website at harvestchristianacademy.org, or you can contact me directly at kburke@harvestchristianacademy.org. Classes begin soon. We would love to have your child as a part of our program.